Easiteach is a very popular program with Australian schools. It's used Australia-wide, and it is in its latest version now. The program itself is similar to Note, however it does have a few of its own unique features. As you look at the main screen, you'll see that the colored icons down below are your general tools, and the grayed out ones on the right-hand side would be your formatting tools. So you can see with the pen that you do have a variety of pens and highlighters, shapes and lines. Next to that you have your text tools, and the text tools enable you to use any font that's installed on your laptop. You can use that within the Easiteach program. You can also use handwriting recognition as well as just typing on the page. It also has some interesting text tools, and these will enable you to create your own close exercise or check spelling, or it has a text-to-speech function, which means it will read aloud any typed information that's on the screen. The next icon to that are the special effects. These will add animations to objects on your page. They'll also enable you to have hyperlinks to various pages within the presentation, or to other files, or to websites, or to sound bites as well. The next icon over are the widgets, and the widgets, there's 49 of them, and they are based on different subject areas, and they're interactive and can be used within your lessons. And the last one is the Multimedia Resource Bank. And the Multimedia Resource Bank, when it starts out, has about 2,500 different bits of photos and clip art. You also have the option, if you go to My Files, to download your own clip art or photos, and either just have them on the page, or you can add them directly into the media bank itself. As I mentioned, on the opposite side, you'll see your general formatting tools, your cut, copy, paste, zoom in, zoom out, etc. Also, this is how you would access more pages in your presentation. When you are ready, you can save the presentation, and it saves as an interactive file. So when you open it again, you will be able to work with it interactively. However, you can also save it as a PDF file if you do want to print it out. So that's the Easiteach program. Once again, if you want to find out more, you can go to our website, www.ig3education.com.au.